So the other day I was either on Facebook or Instagram and I saw an advertisement for the Cult Beauty Advent Calendar, in which in years past I remember it sold out really quickly and I never got my hands on it. And they happen to have a promo code going on to where not only did you get the calendar, but if you purchased it, you also got a bunch of full-size gifts for free that I think they said was worth around like 600 pounds. I'll have the numbers here on the screen. I know that the free gift with purchase is no longer available because a friend of mine tried to get it the other day and they were out, I guess. However, I think that the advent calendar is still available, so I wanted to show it to you in the event that you wanted to check it out. This is not sponsored by them. I literally bought it myself, but let's go ahead and I'm going to show you the free stuff I got and get that out of the way first. Which it actually came in this black bag, which has a zipper, and I'm definitely going to use this again. I think it's super nice. It feels like a heavy duty like pillowcase. Okay, so it came with the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. This by Dr. Barbara Sturm is an aloe vera gel. Is this like for face or body? I don't know. But there's that. That'll be useful. My skin gets irritated in the summer. I got this Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Acid Cream Moisturizer. This Biossance Squalane and Vitamin C Rose Oil. This Ren Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. And all of these so far are things that I would use, but anything that like I personally wouldn't use, I always put in, I have like a box here in my office and I put all of those things in there. And then when I want to like give gifts or a friend of mine is like looking for something, I just am able to kind of like gift throughout the year, and I really like that. Okay, there's also a Medicate Cetera Luxe Lipid Vitamin C Enhanced Radiance Serum. A Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream from Youth to the People. I feel like I already have one of these, maybe in my moisturizer things, that this might be something that I pass on to somebody else. I need to go through all of my skincare and kind of break it down into categories and kind of pick out what maybe I might be able to use in the next year or two, and then get rid of everything else so nothing goes to waste. And then this is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. I'm wondering if it's rose gold. I'm assuming it's like a, is it like a highlighter situation, or you can kind of, okay, yeah. And then the last thing I got was this Hum Daily Cleanse. These are to help clear your skin and body from toxins, which your liver does that anyway. But I will say that I got on the whole Hum train a couple of years ago and had it set up as an automatic delivery. And I have an entire box of Hum vitamins that I need to go through. Okay, and then let's get into the advent calendar. So here is the box. So they shipped the gift with purchase separate from the box. That's why I just now had to open it. Oh, and then this tells you all about everything in the box. And then this box actually reminds me of a smaller version of the Stylevana one that I recently opened. It doesn't look Christmassy at all, which theirs didn't either. And here it is. And I'm just gonna start opening it over here. I mean, does it matter if I go from one to whatever? I don't think it matters, but I will. So in box one, the Sunday Riley CEO, I hope, oh, it's in here. Hopefully this still works. The cap, it looks like it will, but the cap came off. But this is the CEO from Sunday Riley. Okay, hopefully the cap works. I actually really like this product. So let's see. Yep, it works. So that's exciting. Box 2. Okay. There is a Szechuan shampoo and conditioner. Box 3 is a Malin and Goats, or a Malin and Getz is how you pronounce it, dark rum perfume. I'm gonna give this a sniff. Wonder if this would be more up my husband's alley. Actually, this is perfectly unisex. It's really nice. It's somehow like a spicy rum that's clean at the same time. Okay, in box 4 is the Sam McKnight Deeper Love. What is this? It's a mask. So it's a hair mask. In 5, we have, I'm pretty sure this was also in the gift. It's the Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream by Youth to the People. Is it different from the one that came in the gift? Oh, it is different. So one's the Superfood Air, and then the other one's this. So 6 is a Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. Like a little sample of it. But this would be good to throw in the thing. But I don't know. I'm not sure if I'll get through mine along with all my other sunscreens. So that might be something I throw in my gift box. 7, it's the Zellen's Power D Vitamin D Concentrate, fortifying and restoring. So I'm not quite sure what vitamin D does. Okay, it just says vitamin D3 concentrate enriched with replenishing lipids, structurally similar to those found in the skin, infused with proprietary complex of botanicals. Okay, I haven't really heard people talk much about vitamin D in skincare. 8 is the Augustus Bader, the Rich Cream. That's kind of up my alley. 9. You know what? I saw this brand the other day at Target and I'd never heard of them before. This is the Bioma Moisture Rich Gel Cream with niacinamide and green tea. So that's interesting. Excited to try that out. 10 is the Inky List, and this is their polyglutamic acid. Oh, polyglutamic acid. I like how they have pronunciations on there for me. They knew I wouldn't be able to pronounce it. 11 is it's another hair item, and it's the Wow Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. Magically transforms texture, amazing humidity proofing powers. So this will be great for me to try in the summer. It's not very humid here. It's actually quite dry here now. 12. Multi-molecular hyaluronic complex from Neod. I've never heard of this brand. The box looks nice though. 13. This is the R Retinoate Youth Activating Cream by Medicate. 14. It's the Ren Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. Which I wonder if it's brightening. A lot of the times they put something in there that gives it kind of like a sheen to kind of actually brighten the under eyes. You can see a little bit of the cream through the thing, and that doesn't look to be the case. But maybe once I try it out, I'll let you guys know. 15. Ooh, there's like lots of stuff in this one. Okay, so I got some Hum gummies for hair, skin, and nails, I believe. Hair, sweet hair. Yeah, so it's mostly for hair. I got this Virtue. It's like, it looks like a hair oil. And then I got this K18 Biomimetic Hair Science. Oh, it's a hair mask. It's like a small one though. Okay, and then we got a Charlotte Tilbury palette, and I'm wondering if this is one that I already have. This just says Exaggerize, so I don't know if that's a shade. I don't believe I have this one. It looks kind of mauve-y. Yeah, I don't think that this is one that I have. All right, and then 17 Another hair product. It's a hair mask. It's from Hair Gain. I've never heard of this brand. Again, though, a lot of these brands, since this company is from the UK, like I haven't heard of them. So, and I don't even know how much access outside of Cult Beauty that I would even have to them. 18. Okay, so this has a couple of different things in it. This has the lipstick and Sweet Cheeks from Huda Beauty, which I've never tried any of her lipsticks. It does say though there's like light, medium, and rich, and I don't know if that's for like skincare or if that means not skincare. I don't know if that's like for skin tone or if that refers to like how heavy the lipstick is on the lips. So I'll have to try it later. I'm not sure if that's a color I'll go for, but I don't know, maybe it is. And then also in this box, there is a Rowan skin stick. The only thing I've ever tried from Rowan have been like their little eyeshadow quads. So I'm kind of excited about this. Ooh. So it like looks white. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little swatch. This reminds me, it's like a white gold, and this reminds me so much of NARS Albatross, but in a cream version. If you guys remember like everybody going for Albatross like a long time ago, but I think this is beautiful. So, and it's like a nice like pale gold. So I think this can even be worn obviously by light skin tones. So this is something I'll definitely use. Then this Hourglass mascara. This is the Caution mascara. And then the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Hydrating Primer. And then there's one more thing in this one. And this is the Pay, I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's their Impossible Glow Highlighting Drops. I don't think this is for me because look how gold that is. It's just not going to go with my skin tone. So that's something I'll pass on, but I do like that they had two gold options in there, like the light kind of glossy pale gold, and then this one maybe would be better for medium to dark, but I'll definitely pass on to a friend who's a little bit darker. All right, so box 19. Ooh, you get a Boom Boom cream, but I don't think it's the Boom Boom cream. I think it's that brand, but this is the Balm Dia Bright cream, infused with renewing fruit AHAs, retexturing body cream. So that's exciting. In box 20, you get a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. This is something that's just like really like quick and refreshing to slap on your face. I wouldn't necessarily say like that anything earth breaking is in here. Is it earth breaking? Am I earth shattering? I don't know. I don't know that anything, you know, like I guess too amazing is in here. And what I will say is I do find that niacinamide calms my skin a lot, especially if I'm having some contact dermatitis, but then you mix it with the fragrance and the watermelon and I feel like it kind of undoes that as far for me, for my skin sensitivity. It might be different for other people. But I think that's kind of funny, but I have used it before and I did like it. So 21 is a Dr. Dennis Gross Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum. It doesn't tell me what is in here that would make it pore perfecting. Okay, alpha beta. So, okay. So there it is. Okay, in 22, there is a Dr. Levy Switzerland. And what is this? Skin Reset Pollution Shield Skincare Finisher. So you're supposed to use it after your skincare routine before makeup. So is it not a moisturizer? I'm gonna have to see. So it seems like it's just like a skin barrier. Like, I don't know. I'll have to check that out. But 23 is another hair mask. It's the Briogeo Superfood, the avocado one. And then 24, it's the Biossance Squalane Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum. I literally just bought this full price for myself from the Biossance website. Actually, they were having a deal though, so it wasn't full price, but I did actually specifically go out and get that. I feel like I have it sitting around here somewhere, but I actually really like that for applying. Oh, here it is right here. I think mine might be bigger than that. How much is the one I have? 50 mils. How much is this? 50, same size. Okay. But I actually like that for makeup prep a lot of the time. And then the last thing in here is the box 25. It has multiple things in it. You get a Drunk Elephant cleanser, their jelly cleanser, a 111 Skin Oxygen Express mask, a Joe Loves candle, and this is called Christmas Trees. And also, if you guys weren't aware, like here in the US, I'm sure people in the UK are aware, but Joe Loves is Joe Malone's new brand. She did a similar thing to Bobbi Brown where she sold her fragrance line to the Estee Lauder company, and then now this is her new company that she has, and she, you know, sells like fragrance and things like that. So that's exciting. There's also a Laneige lip sleeping mask in chocolate. So typically I don't like chocolate things, but I have a feeling that this is gonna be nice, especially for bed maybe. Yeah. I don't know. It smells like hot cocoa. I just don't know that I want that hanging out on my lips. I do like the fact that it's like brown though, because I feel like that would look better for every day. I don't know. I'm gonna have to think on this one and see if this is something that I want to keep. I do have the regular sleep mask, but something about just like chocolate lip products just kind of gives me the ick. There's this thing, I don't know what it is. Mulberry Silk Outer. I think, is this like a sleep mask? It is. It's a pink silk sleep mask. And then the last thing is the Pharmacy Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. I actually really like this moisturizer. I already have it. That is everything in this box. So I hope it's still available by the time I get this video edited and uploaded. If it's not though, if you guys want reviews on any of these individual products, let me know and I will talk to you guys in the next one.